Okay, ladies and gents, the second part, ¿Qué desayunas? Remember means what do you have for breakfast? So it's part 2. What are you drinking? So let's have a look at the first one here. So ¿qué means what? Okay, beber is to drink, therefore, what are you drinking? ¿Qué bebes? Again, very short in Spanish. What drink you? Okay, sometimes. A veces. So a veces meaning sometimes. I drink. Okay, remember is bebo, okay, and then tea is té. Bebo té, a veces bebo té. Right, generally. Now, generally is generalmente. So, generalmente is generally. Now, looking at the next one. He eats fruit for tea. So, I'm kind of looking at this and sort of thinking, actually, okay, I'm being a little bit silly here because it's a good test for you. Actually, to eat tea comes from the verb merendar. So merendar then changes to merienda if you're talking about what we call the third person. So merienda, okay, is he or she eats. Now, he, now remember, let's just go into this here if we can. Okay, edit, copy, bring that down here and paste and match style. El merienda, meaning he, okay, eats for tea, and then you put fruta in here. Okay, so that is all built into the one thing there. He eats for tea is this bit here. Now, with his friends, con sus amigos. That's an all-male group or mixed group. 3. I don't eat breakfast. Now remember, it's just one word for I eat breakfast, desayuno. So literally just no desayuno. Now, and remember is y, okay, and never have dinner. Okay, so nunca. So nunca, so negative, nunca, and dinner or dine is ceno. Nunca ceno. Okay, a lot less words used in Spanish than in English. I'm hungry. Literally, I have hunger. Tengo hambre. So you've got tengo hambre. All the time. So all the time, todo el tiempo. All the time. So todo, and then el tiempo is all the time. Now, and is e, so you got e, and eat, so eat, meat with veg. Now, straightforward eat is just going to be como, okay? And meat is carne, and then with veg is con verduras. Con verduras, like so, ladies and gents. Okay, number 5, at midday. So, a media dia. Okay, I've already got that I in there to show the accent. Okay, so a mediodía. Okay, always, siempre. Okay, at least get the spelling right if you know what I mean. Siempre. Okay, eat lunch. Remember, that is also como. Now, with my girlfriends, it would actually help if I actually had the right colour up, but I don't at the moment. So here we go. Let's just pick this one here. Okay, now with is con mi novia. Con mi novia. Alright, number 6. But, pero, I like, me gusta. So, pero me gusta, drink, infinitive coming after, beber, okay. Orange juice, remember, is zumo de naranja. So you got zumo de naranja like so, and then from time to time, okay, is de vez